Let's jump right into this explainer and upgrade your system monitoring with something genuinely modern.
Still relying on that clunky Windows 8 era task manager? For power users, it just doesn't cut it anymore.
Enter TaskSlinger. It's the blazing fast, totally free alternative that developers and IT pros actually deserve.
Just look at this Performance tab. Every single logical processor gets its own live real-time sparkline. Plus, you can instantly track kernel times, cache sizes, and live network connections right here.
Debugging code? The Processes tab shows full command lines, making it super easy to hunt down zombie processes.
Check out the Services tab, too. You can directly audit background services without opening legacy Windows tools.
Even your startup apps are exposed in crazy detail, revealing exact registry paths and publisher info.
Need hardware specs fast? The Information tab is literally a built-in, lightweight system info dashboard.
Skip CPU-Z. You get instant, granular data like per DIMM RAM speeds, manufacturers, and BIOS firmware types.
Now you might be wondering, can you customize the layout to fit your exact workflow? Absolutely.
It comes packed with fan-favorite themes right out of the box. Think Dracula and all 4 cappuccino flavors. Head into Settings to effortlessly tweak that UI scale, adjust row heights, and dial in the animations.
But here's the absolute best number of all, 0. As in, 0 telemetry whatsoever.
It's 100% private. No analytics, no forced accounts, and nothing ever phones home. Period.
There's even a portable build for your USB drive, and it's totally free during this beta period. So, here's the real question. If you live inside Task Manager, isn't it time you took back control?